Apple gift cards. Buy in-game currency or add-ons.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be tackling a common question for all Apple users out there. Can you use your Apple gift card to purchase in-game currency or add-ons? Let's dive into the details.
What is an Apple gift card?
An Apple gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase a variety of Apple services and products. This includes apps, games, music, movies, TV shows, iCloud, and more on the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Bookstore, and towards an Apple Music subscription.
Can you buy in-game currency or add-ons with an Apple gift card?
The answer is a resounding yes. When you redeem an Apple gift card, it adds the amount to your Apple ID as store credit. This credit can then be used to purchase apps, in-app purchases, including in-game currency and add-ons, and services across Apple's ecosystem.
How to use your Apple gift card for in-game purchases?
The process is quite straightforward. After redeeming your Apple gift card, 1. Open the game where you wish to purchase currency or add-ons. 2. Navigate to the in-game store or the section where you can buy currency or add-ons. 3. Choose the currency or add-on you wish to buy. 4. Confirm the purchase. The amount will be deducted from your Apple ID store credit. Remember, if the cost of the in-game purchase exceeds your available balance, you'll need to add an additional payment method to cover the difference. So there you have it. If you have an Apple gift card, you can certainly use it to buy in-game currency or add-ons. Remember to monitor your balance to ensure you have enough for your intended purchase. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy gaming!